Remember 2016? That was the year that music basically curled up into a ball and died. Prince, David Bowie, George Michael, and that's just scratching the surface. I swear, rocking a radio mic that year felt like you were hosting a funeral every other week. And when a legend passes, you don't get to sit and cry into your crappy radio station coffee. Heck no, you have to show up with a touching tribute. Fast, poignant, polished, and hopefully not sound like you threw it together during a bathroom break. But here's a game changer. Putting together a powerful, custom tribute show doesn't have to be a multi-day emotional breakdown. With the right AI prompts, you can actually build a 1-hour memorial special in under 10 minutes. Yeah, I've done it, and now you're gonna do it too.
We are on the air.
I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and I'm gonna walk you through my 5-prompt tribute system. 5 simple prompts that you feed into AI and boom, out comes a fully written tribute show. We're talking intros, segues, emotional setups, legacy bits, the whole tribute taco lasagna. And I'm queuing up a freebie too, my one-size-fits-all tribute prompt for when you need something quick, clean, and respectful on the fly. That link is in the description. But first, let's back it up and we have to ask, why do tribute shows even matter? When the world loses a beloved artist, your audience expects more than just, well, we lost another one, here's 3 of their hits. No, they want connection, they want stories, they want to feel something. And when you can deliver that kind of show in record time, oh my goodness, you suddenly sound way bigger than your actual operation. And this is how you punch way above your broadcasting weight class. And recently we lost a number of icons, and that's what really got me thinking about this. But, you really want to feel some loss, we have to flash back to 2016. The absolute black hole of musical heartbreak. We lost Prince, we lost Bowie, we lost George Michael, Leonard Cohen, Glenn Frey, Maurice White. I remember listening to the top classic rock station in Los Angeles with an iconic DJ on the mic when Prince passed. And oh my God, I was actually yelling at the radio, these lackluster, passionless breaks. Barely any info about his life or legacy. What? Is that the best you can do? Come on! The Paisley legend deserves so much more. Now, that was long before ChatGPT, and I get it. It's not easy creating compelling content on the fly. At least back then. Today, there's no excuse for memorial mediocrity. So let's get to it. Here's my system. 5 prompts. You drop in the artist name and a particular song you might want to feature in each break. And what comes back? Oh my goodness. Emotional setups, commentary about legacy, little-known artist facts. And here's what those 5 prompts specifically cover. We have a solid show open that kind of sets the tone and welcomes your audience in. Then a personal deep dive into one iconic song, maybe the story, the emotion, the trivia. Then a segment about the artist's impact, fans, culture, the industry. Then a legacy bit, awards, influence, who they paved the way for. And we wrap it up with a thoughtful outro that kind of ties it all together and leaves your listeners with something real. Let's make this real. Let's say we were in the studio when the news broke that Prince just passed away. And in this fantasy, you actually had a secret weapon called AI. You see where this is going? Within minutes, you've got a full show script. And now it's time to voice it. And you could crack the mic and record the tracks yourself. That's easy enough. This hour's all about Prince and his first big break. It wasn't a smoky club discovery. He actually mailed out demo tapes, and Warner Brothers bit. He was still a teenager at the time, 19, and they let him produce the entire record himself. Come on, that is unheard of. Now, Raspberry Beret, this one started out as a rough sketch in 1982, but he sat on it for years because, come on, it's Prince. It had to be just right. He added strings, because of course he did. And it finally hit your radio in 1985 and forever changed how we looked at fancy French headwear. It's Prince as we remember the icons on Triple X 80s. Or if you're pressed for time or maybe feeling a little mic shy, you can get AI to do it.
We're remembering Prince. Next up, When Doves Cry. And here's the thing, there's no bass line. Prince yanked it out on purpose, said he wanted space between the notes. His label hated it.
Next, you load up your playlist, you drop your voice tracks between the songs, and boom, you've got a tribute show that hits hard and sounds totally pro. And if you're running something like my AI DJ program, RadioDJ, oh my goodness, this is plug and play heaven. You build the playlist, you drop in the voice track markers, you load those prompts, you hit go, bam, done and dusted.
We're remembering Prince. Next up, When Doves Cry. And here's the thing, there's no bass line. Prince yanked it out on purpose, said he wanted space between the notes. His label hated it, thought he'd lost his mind. But the track? #1 for 5 straight weeks. He wrote it, sang it, played everything. No band, just Prince being Prince. That's the story. Here's the song as we remember the icons on Triple X 80s.
If you're thinking, wow, I could really use this, well good, because these prompts are available right now over in my shop, and if you want the full set and you want to support what I do here, well, I really appreciate you grabbing that bundle. But maybe you just want to test drive first of this system. Well, that free all-purpose memorial prompt is yours. Just go grab it. There's no strings. You can check the link in the description out and have fun with it. Well, as much fun as you can honoring a dead icon. And look, this isn't about automation replacing personality. It's about you staying ready, staying flexible, and delivering content that connects with your audience. With this system, you could be the station that actually shows up when music loses a legend. You honor the artist, you serve your audience, and you sound damn good doing it.
We're still celebrating Prince this hour. Critics didn't always get him, but eventually they had to admit it. He wasn't just crossing genres, he was his own. Rolling Stone flat out called him a genre unto himself. And if you need proof, it's right here. Little Red Corvette, his first top 10. Half slow jam, half rocket fuel. People thought it was about a car, sure, but it's about so much more. Here's Prince as we remember the icons on Triple X 80s.
If you got at least 8% satisfaction from this little ditty, oh my goodness, please hit me with a like and a subscribe. I thank you very much. I am Jeff, the Radio DJ dude, and now you've got the tools to create meaningful moments even when you're under pressure. So go grab those prompts, and most important, keep those mics rocking all over the world.